Well, here's a Fiesta ST with a bit of decals on it. A little bit of artwork. Good morning.
Morning.
Filling your form in. So tell me a little bit about this.
So this is it's my little beauty.
Yeah.
Did the wrap myself.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Yeah, certainly eye-catching. Yeah.
Looks a bit Elder Scrolls-esque.
Yeah. Cheers. Now I'm hoping to sell it. So I want to see how much.
Yeah, sure. How much parts putting out? Is it matte?
I don't know. I bought it and it seems a little bit more than standard.
Okay,
so
okay.
I'm hoping it is, but I have no idea.
Well, we'll certainly find out on the rolling road. That's what we're here for. Go Ford Fiesta ST. Curve's not too bad there at all, and making 203 brake horsepower peak at a 220 foot-pound of torque.